Thank you, Mataji.
Dash.
Dashavtar Shikeleka. How Projecata Ani Triak Ani how branches how the trunkak how Vishnu Galsta. Ani the branches up all have avatars.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to draw this one over here. Total 10 avatars are star.
Okay.
So how paste got the brown triak.
Okay.
How color the tree, and now how paste got the Vishnu. Are you enough of that? How Vishnu's face color and how bright is his color. First, Mastya Avatar. Next, Kuma Avatara. So, have Vishnu and have all other Krishna, Vishnu's forms. So, have Matsya Avatar. Now, and Kalki.
Okay. Good.
So how Miguel Peva Shloka Sankta. Shitira Iha Vipuliterain Tishtati Dobapriste Davani Davanatina Chakra Kariste Keshavadita Kumashari Jagadisha Hare Jai Jagadisha Hare
Jai.
Jai Jagadisha Hare.
Thank you.
Thank you.